Stampers, and thank you so much for joining me today. This is Laura Buechler of Inky Fingers Papercrafting, your independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Nanaimo, BC. Now today I've got a really fun gift item to show you that I learned from a fellow demonstrator, Susan Easter. So you'll need a full piece of 12 by 12 designer series paper and then 4 of our note cards with envelopes. You can find these on page 153 of our annual catalog. You can get a set of 20 cards and envelopes for $9.50. And these little note cards are great for when you want to make a really quick little project or for a hostess gift like I'm demonstrating today. And what's really handy about the project I'm showing you is that you can use one sheet of any DSP you choose, and the 4 note cards and the gift box will all match. So this is a really fun gift to give someone as a thank you gift, a hostess gift, and so on. And then they in turn will get to give out the 4 beautiful cards inside. So as you can see, I'm using the beautiful Forever Greenery paper for my project today. And to start, I'm going to use my trimmer and I'm going to cut the sheet at 7 1/8 inches and then set that piece aside. And then I'm going to take this piece and cut 3 pieces that are 1 inch wide. Now I'm going to set aside one of these strips and cut these remaining 2 strips to be 5 inches long. So now I've got 4 pieces that measure 5 by 1 inch. I've got 1 piece measuring 12 by 1 inch. And 1 piece measuring 7 1/8 by 12 inches. So with your biggest piece, your 7 1/8 by 12, we're going to do some scoring on this piece. So along the long side of your paper, score each side at 1/2 inch and at 1 inch. Rotate the paper and score along the short side at 3 1/2, 4, 7 3/4, and 8 1/4. So with all that scoring done, I know it's a little bit hard to see, but one of these score lines is at 3 1/2 inches and the other is at 3 3/4 inches. So see how this side, this score is longer than this score, okay? So the 3 1/2 inch end is what we'll call the short end. So I'm going to hold the paper so that the short end is towards me and cut along the 1 inch score line on each side all the way to this top panel. Sometimes it's easier to do if you burnish those score lines a little bit so you can see exactly where they are. So now we can see how the box is going to come together. But before I start putting any adhesive on this, I want to use my 2 1/4 inch circle punch on this edge here to create a thumb hole. And now I'm ready to add the adhesive. I'm just going to put 1 strip here and 1 strip here, and I'm going to use my tear and tape, which is really great for 3D projects. Stampin' Seal Plus is really good for 3D projects as well. Now the box is done. I'm going to take that long 12-inch strip that I have left and turn it into a belly band for this box. And now to decorate this belly band, I'm going to use this piece of Forever Gold specialty laser cut paper. Now this paper is really gorgeous. It comes in a package of 6 sheets, and it's got a whole bunch of card fronts, and then it's also got these gorgeous accented shapes as well as foliage images. And if you don't like the gold, you can flip it over and use it on the white, but I'm going to use the gold. And I'm going to stamp a sentiment from the Forever Fern stamp set to a friend that makes me smile. So there's our beautiful gift box. It looks amazing. And now we're going to decorate the cards. So remember, we've got these 4 beautiful note cards. They're all pre-cut and scored for us. And I'm going to use the 4 little strips of DSP that I cut at the beginning to decorate these cards. Now I can use this side or this side. I think I'm going to do a little mix and match. And I'm going to use the Forever Fern stamp set and the Ornate Thanks stamp set to decorate the cards. So there's my finished project. Now remember, you'll get a chance to win this project, yes, the entire gift box, when you share the video. Leave a comment below to let me know that you've shared, and maybe I'll be sending you this whole beautiful little gift set in the mail. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. I really appreciate it, and I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Please drop me a comment below and let me know what you think. And if there's something specific that you'd like to learn about, just ask. Remember that you can purchase all the products shown on my website, inkyfingers.ca, where you'll also find more project tutorials, current promotional details and catalogs, and the sign up for my monthly email newsletter. I'm not currently offering in-person classes, but you can visit my website to sign up for Creativity to Go, which means once a month you'll get prepared supplies and tutorials delivered right to your door for you to complete on your own schedule. I am also hosting casual Zoom crafting sessions where you can bring any project you happen to be working on and enjoy a fun social crafting time with others. Find all of these details and so much more on my website. If you're watching this on YouTube, I want to let you know that I have a Facebook page called Inky Fingers Papercrafting, where you can join a weekly creative challenge and win a prize from me. And if you do place an order, please use the current Hostess code, which you can find on my website, because everyone who uses that code will get a free gift from me. And if you'd like to earn your own Hostess rewards, all you need to do is place an order of over $200 or contact me and we'll start planning your own online party. Drop me a line for more details. Have a great day, everyone, and happy stamping! Bye!